everyone, and welcome to Activities with Gwendolyn. Today we're going to be unboxing a color change surprise LOL. So, we kind of made a mistake on the first video because we had a little issue, and I already started cutting it, but let's just ignore that for now. And let's just keep unboxing. So, there is no zipper. You're meant to rip this. I didn't understand how you were meant to rip it, so I just cut it. And as you can see, I don't know if you can technically see, but you're meant to get a baby and 2 pets. So, hopefully, I don't know what. Okay, I really have never unboxed this kind of LOL, so I don't know what to expect. Okay, so apparently we go right into bags. Whoa, okay. Oh, okay. That is kind of weird. So I've never seen an LOL like this, but it has a little bottle sticker and no like reveal thing. What do you think this secret code is? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to figure it out. So, it is sweetheart. That's kind of what I thought. I wasn't going to tell you my idea, but it was sweetheart, to tell you. Now here's one of the little stand things where you put on top of the ball. Instructions we'll look at later. So here's the bag from the pink ball. Oh, I didn't realize there were multiple bags, sorry. Now let's open up the blue ball. So I'll just move that out of the way so you can see the blue ball. Okay, yet again, bags, a secret message. So, what do you think this secret code is? I'll give you 5 seconds. Time's up. It's forever friends, because you see the infinity symbol and friends. And this one sticker is a star. Now, was there anything else? Okay, apparently there's 1 stand per one. Now, here we have the checklist. Let me just move some stuff out of the way, sorry. Now, I didn't post this LOL in a video. I just unboxed it without doing a video. I got an LOL named Foxy out of this series. So, no, you cannot see it, but is her baby here? Okay, little Foxy is not here, which I really thought little Foxy was gonna be here. Let me just look it over to see if little Foxy is here. So little Foxy is not here. So now, which ones do you think we're gonna get? I really hope that we get little hashtag NC Gold and hashtag NC Bunny. They are super rare. Let's start unboxing. First we're going to start with the pink bags. Oh. So this is the baby we got. I didn't mean to open the baby first. I was just opening. And her name's Little Bandy, I think. I'm not quite sure. Okay, let's keep opening the pink bags. Oh, okay, now we have some stuff for her older sister. Oh, we have some shades that, for now, she can wear. They are way too big for her. Hopefully one day I find her older sister. And here's the bag. Oh, so it's like drippy, a green drip bag, kinda. Let's put her in her little bag. Is that all the pink bags? Yep, that's all the pink bags. Now let's move on to the blue bags. Okay, I thought there were 3, but oh, there are 3. Silly me. Okay, this is the smallest item, so this isn't gonna be the pet, so I'll just put it. Oh, where's the other shoe? Oh, it was stuck in the corner. Stuck in the corner. Hey, come on. There. I have 2 little shoes that are way too big for the little one. Now let's open this one. Oh. Oh, they're little wings. Oh, I know what pet she has. It's gonna be her pet, I think. Ah, I was right. Boop. Look, it's her pet. Let me look up what her pet's name is. Bandy Monkey. Now we have some golden wings here that are meant to be on Bandy Monkey, but I'm not sure how you get them on her. They have 2 little holes, and they're meant to be on her, right? Yep, they're meant to be on her just like that, but how do they attach? This is the first time I've gotten one of these LOLs, so I don't know how they attach. So I think how you attach it is by this rubber band they gave you with the wings. So you do that, and then I think, if I'm correct, you loop it around both arms. I really don't know. Yep, that didn't work. I'll figure this out. By next video, I would have figured it out, and I would show you in the next video. Okay? And, okay. Now, we're gonna see them color change. Let's see if they should be color changers. So here we have some cold water, very cold. Let's put the monkey in first. The monkey doesn't color change. That's odd. It says, color change surprise. So, now we add a few ice cubes to the water. And let's see. So instead of dipping them, we're actually gonna rub the ice cube. That's strange, I don't see any color change. That's odd. Oh, no. Aw, it's like he's too cold. Little blue and black. See? Okay.
You roll the MCY. Down.
So it's like if you dip it in, his little ears, paws, and feet, and the front of his face turn blue, and his hair turns black. That's so cute. We'll put him in his little ball for now. Now it's time to do the baby. Did you know that with the baby you can actually take out their pacifier? It's true. Sorry, I'm just trying to take out the pacifier. It's really hard. Well, let's see. Aww. It's like she's in her little swimsuit. And her hair also turns completely black, just like her little monkeys. Now, I'm not sure why they give you a stand. They can't, neither of them can really wear the shoes. Well, actually, maybe the monkey could. Nope. But, if you always wonder, why do they give you the balls anyway? Well, the balls are like their own little bathtub. You're meant to fill them up, which is really hard if you have a little water. But that's okay. I'm just gonna put a little bit in each one. There. Whoops. Whoopsie. Sorry, I had the wrong ball. There. And now, they can both stay in their own little tubs. Thanks for watching. Bye.